everyday diet for brain health. Nourishing your mind with essential nutrients, maintaining a balanced and nutritious diet is crucial for our physical health and plays a significant role in supporting brain health and cognitive function. Incorporating various nutrient-dense foods into our daily meals provides our brains with the essential nutrients, vitamins, and minerals needed to thrive. This section will outline an everyday diet rich in brain-boosting foods to nourish your mind and enhance cognitive function. Consuming omega-3 fatty acids for brain health. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential fats vital to brain health and cognitive function. Sources of omega-3s, such as fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, and plant-based sources like walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds, are crucial for maintaining optimal brain function. These fatty acids help support brain cell structure, reduce inflammation, and promote healthy neurotransmitter function, all essential for cognitive health. Including colorful fruits and vegetables for antioxidants and phytonutrients. Colorful fruits and vegetables are rich in antioxidants and phytonutrients that help protect the brain from oxidative stress and inflammation. Berries, leafy greens, tomatoes, and bell peppers are excellent sources of antioxidants that can help improve memory, focus, and overall brain function. By incorporating a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables into your diet, you can provide your brain with the essential nutrients it needs to thrive. Incorporating whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats for overall brain health. In addition to omega-3 fatty acids and colorful fruits and vegetables, it's essential to include whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats in your everyday diet for optimal brain health. Whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, and oats provide a steady energy source for the brain. At the same time, lean proteins such as poultry, tofu, and legumes support neurotransmitter function and cognitive performance. Healthy fats from sources like avocados, olive oil, and nuts help nourish the brain and support overall cognitive function. Nutrients, vitamins, and minerals to help prevent dementia. Supporting brain health through essential nutrients, preventing dementia, and maintaining optimal brain health is a top priority for many individuals as they age. One fundamental way to support cognitive function and reduce the risk of dementia is through a diet rich in essential nutrients, vitamins, and minerals. This section will identify critical nutrients crucial in preventing dementia and supporting overall brain health, highlighting their benefits and recommending dietary sources to incorporate into your daily meals. Benefits of vitamin E, vitamin B12, and folate in cognitive function and dementia prevention. Vitamin E, B12, and folate are essential nutrients linked to cognitive function and dementia prevention. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant, protecting brain cells from oxidative damage and inflammation. Vitamin B12 is crucial for nerve function and the production of neurotransmitters, while folate plays a role in DNA synthesis and brain cell repair. Including sources of vitamin E such as almonds, spinach, and sunflower seeds. Vitamin B12 from animal products like meat, fish, and dairy, and folate from leafy greens, legumes, and fortified grains can help support cognitive function and reduce the risk of dementia. Importance of antioxidants like vitamin C and selenium in reducing oxidative stress in the brain. Antioxidants play a critical role in reducing oxidative stress and inflammation in the brain, which are vital factors in the development of dementia. Vitamin C and selenium are powerful antioxidants that help neutralize free radicals and protect brain cells from damage. Including sources of vitamin C such as citrus fruits, bell peppers, and strawberries, as well as selenium-rich foods like Brazil nuts, seafood, and whole grains, can help support brain health and reduce the risk of cognitive decline. Recommendation of sources of essential minerals such as zinc and magnesium for brain health.